Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm gonna check out the Soundpeats 3.2 Classic, which are very cheap but deliver good sound. Before starting, I just want to tell you that if you like the video you can subscribe to the channel, since my goal this year is to reach 200,000 subscribers, so let's make it possible. The audio for this video has been created with the script, more info in the description below. First of all, I want to thank Soundpeats for sending me a unit to test them, so I can do the review for you. Starting with the presentation, the box has an attractive design, but it shows less quality than that of the Mini Pro. Inside, we have the earbuds with its case for charging, a USB Type-C cable and 4 eartips. The design is very similar to the other Soundpeats models. They are not as compact as the Soundpeats Mini, but they are not particularly big either. Each earpiece is 1.9 cm tall by 1.8 wide and 2.4 deep, and weigh 5 grams each. They have the characteristic Soundpeats logo on the outside, and they are quite comfortable to use, but the sealing is not very good, and they do not feel safe in the ear. For normal use there will be no problem, but I would not recommend them for sports despite having certification IPX5 against liquids. There are 3 different sizes of eartips in total. The medium, which are the ones that come by default, have worked well for me. Each earbud has a capacitive button on the side. If we press one time, the right button turns up the volume. If we press it 2 times, it does play pause. If we press it 3 times, activates the assistant that we have by default on the phone. And if we hold it down, goes to the next song. If we press 1 time the left earbud, the volume goes down. If we press it 2 times, it also makes play pause. If we press it 3 times, activates the assistant. And if we hold it down, goes to the previous song. We can also answer and reject calls directly from the earbuds. The controls work great, and they are very easy to find. I like that the simple touch handles the volume, so we avoid involuntary pauses if we touch them. They use Bluetooth 5.1, which is not the last version but is more than enough. The signal range is very good, since you can go through 4 walls without having any cut in the signal, although if we go further the music skips a lot. Both earbuds can be used independently. We just have to put one in the case and the other keeps working, and if we take it out, they pair up again in stereo. Each earbud has a 43 mAh battery, and they can provide up to 8 hours of music on a single charge. This will always be at medium volume, but at max volume they will last much less. I don't like to use the earbuds too loud, so I think it's a fantastic battery life. The case has 350 mAh, for a total of 30 hours of music, which is great, especially considering that the case is very small. Each earbud has a 6mm driver, and they reach a very high volume. Around 60% is more than enough for me. The sound quality is very good. The mids and highs sound clear and the bass is pretty punchy. It's amazing the sound quality that are reaching most earbuds, since even an economic model has a very acceptable quality. They have no delay watching videos. I have tried them with Amazon Prime and YouTube and the latency is perfect. Summarizing, for 30 euros, we have a cheap pair of earbuds with a pretty good sound. The battery life is fantastic, since 8 hours for a single charge is only reachable by very few models. The price is also very cheap and I have even seen them on sale for 21 euros, which is an unbeatable price. Their only downside is that the sealing doesn't give much security, and it is easy for them to fall if we use them to play sports. I will leave the Amazon link in the video description in case you want to buy them, and if you like the video, you can subscribe to the channel for free. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.